a haven of tranquility and serenity, nestled amidst lush green vegetation and embraced by the gentle caress of nature. Touching Eden House sits on the edge of the Singapore Botanic Gardens, a century-old sanctuary of tropical foliage and the city's first UNESCO World Heritage Site. Located in the heart of urban Singapore, it is a testament to the harmonious coexistence between urban life and nature in our city in the garden. The house rises enveloped in vines and vegetation, nestled amidst a tapestry of lush green growth. Sunlight, filtered through the verdant canopy above, casts a mesmerizing play of shadows on the facade. As daylight spills through the foliage, it bathes the mansion in a golden glow, revealing its regal allure. Its design philosophy revolves around seamlessly integrating natural elements into the structure. From the moment one sets foot on the property, a sense of tranquility becomes palpable. The ground opens to meticulously landscaped gardens, where vibrant flowers bloom and soft whispers of the wind fill the air. The inspiration was a biophilic pavilion raised on stilts, draped in a veil of wooden trellis and surrounded by lush vegetation, delicately nestled on the outskirts of the gardens. The landscaping was conceived as an extension of the Botanic Gardens, creating a seamless and aesthetically harmonious fusion between the two environments. Selected plants from the Botanic Gardens blend seamlessly with the natural surroundings, inspired by the concept of borrowed scenery found in traditional East Asian garden design, which involves incorporating the background landscape into the garden composition. Upon entering Touching Eden House, one is greeted by an interior that exudes warmth and calm. The use of natural materials such as travertine, granite, earth-toned fabrics, and high-performance wood creates a sense of harmony with the surroundings. The design incorporates large open spaces and floor-to-ceiling windows, allowing abundant natural light to flood the rooms and blur the boundaries between indoors and outdoors. The upper floor is enveloped by a layer of privacy and sunscreen made of Accoya and acetylated wood. The latticed facade of the pavilion draws inspiration from the intricate lattice patterns often found in garden gazebos, designed to support vine growth. Comprising vertical sections, these elements can be arranged in 12 permutations. This variability allows for the creation of inclined surfaces that capture sunlight at different times of the day, casting unique shadows and enhancing the dynamic interplay of light throughout the day. The exterior of the house features a veil of contemporary privacy and sunscreen, supported by clean lines and large glass windows that offer breathtaking views of the surrounding greenery. The office and gym on the top floor reveal panoramic views of the surrounding treetops. These elevated sanctuaries offer a secluded and serene home office environment, allowing for full immersion in work and physical activity amidst the embrace of nature. This transformative experience nurtures both the mind and body. Hanging plants cascade from the rooftop terrace and along the sides of the house, creating a curtain of vegetation and infusing the environment with enchanting charm. It is an ethereal retreat where dreams unfold and the magic of nature seamlessly intertwines. Brought to life by a visionary owner, this dream home is meticulously crafted by teams of consultants, experts, and artisans. The magical alchemy of harmoniously blending human habitation with natural splendor is evident everywhere. The walls of this sanctuary are intricately intertwined with the beauty of nature, making Touching Eden House a haven of wonders and a charming home both by day and by night.